Okay, Naman, I just wanted to show you your PPR. I hope you can see your name there. I don't know if you can see your name.
Yes, ma'am. It's visible, Namanpreet Kaur.
Yes, so congratulations, Naman, for your PPR.
Thank you, ma'am.
How do you feel today?
Ma'am, I was so glad after hearing that I got my PPR. I'm
Yeah.
so excited now.
And how does your family feel today?
My mother was so happy. She actually started crying. She filled her eyes with tears. She was so happy.
Yes. So इतनी देर से आपका अभी काफी टाइम से सबमिशन हुई थी आपके प्रोफाइल की फाइल कब लगाई थी हमने आपकी
Ma'am, my file was logged on 24th of October.
Oh, it's been quite long.
Yes, ma'am.
और बायोमेट्रिक्स कब हुआ आपका
On 26th of December 2020.
एंड एआईपी आया था आपका
No, ma'am, I haven't received.
So this is direct passport submission request.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we deferred you from January to May 21 already,
Yes.
right? And फिर हमने upload किया web form पे आपका new deferred offer letter, and
Yes.
this PPR is for May 21 intake. Okay, so congratulations again. Did you plan to visit other agents or consultants because there you'll have friends and they will be going to different consultants, Chandigarh or Amritsar or Jalandhar, like, or Delhi. So did you have that in your mind before visiting?
Yes.
Did you visit anyone? I mean, that's my
No,
question.
I haven't visited anyone, but we were thinking of visiting some of other institute like from Chandigarh.
Yeah.
Even some of my friends logged their file from Chandigarh. But after from Pritinder Singh is from my family, is my family member. So he um, he talked with me. He told me every single thing. He told me that how you treated him. He was seriously impressed by your counseling. So he suggested me just go to Kavita ma'am and go to hashtag institution.
Okay. Thank you for your trust in us, Naman, and I hope that you go to Canada as soon as possible. Can you tell me what were the strengths in your profile or आपकी profile की weakness क्या थी according to you?
Ma'am, according to me, actually, I got overall 6.5 band,
Mm-hmm.
and we know that in Canada, the overall requirement is of 6 bands.
Yeah.
So I think this is my strength.
Mm-hmm.
So, but my weakness was, ma'am, in secondary education, plus two class, I only received 60% marks.
Yes.
So
Yes.
in my course, actually requirement was of 55%.
Mm-hmm.
I 60, but that was not quite. I know all other students are getting higher marks than me, so
Mm-hmm.
I was a little worried about this.
Okay. And which course and which college have we chosen for you?
Ma'am, I have chosen Canadore College,
Okay.
and my course name is Computer Systems Networking Technicians.
Okay, great. So where have you done your schooling from, Namanpreet?
Ma'am, I had completed my primary education from CBSE board, Jeet Academy, and my secondary education is from same board, which was from Shivalik Public School.
Okay. So how was your experience with us, Namanpreet? Overall experience with
Ma'am,
us, with our team?
yes, overall experience was seriously, it was excellent because in my process, in all this processing, I even get some queries, and there were some problems actually when I uh, booked my appointment for biometric now. Ma'am, there was kind of glitch in that server, and I don't know that my biometric appointment was booked or not. So I was seriously worried at that time, but then I immediately called Neha ma'am. Then Neha ma'am said, "Don't worry, now I'll see from here. I'll check it out." Then she suggested me to call VFS, and even she suggested me uh, to send some emails. Then
Yes.
I sent more than 5 6 times. I sent emails to them, but
Mm-hmm.
after that, I was just like, I don't know what the hell is happening now.
Mm-hmm.
But Neha ma'am said, okay, don't stress out, just be patient and relax. Everything gonna be okay. So I was seriously uh, felt relaxed at that time.
Yes.
So my overall experience was brilliant.
That's great. That's great. So, we know you are. Where did you get our reference from? Who referred you to us?
Ma'am, my uncle, uh, my Master Ji Satnam Singh,
Okay.
uh, yes, ma'am, he referred me because his own son file was logged from this institute, hashtag.
Yes.
So, yes, ma'am. So he suggested that overall experience was very nice, and
Mm.
even I talked with my brother. He said yes. He also told me that Kavita ma'am gave me counseling. He told that she explained every single thing, and he just told that I wanna pursue my study in computer science, but
Yes.
you explained him and searched for him. So after seeing all those things, my family suggested that now we are gonna apply Naman's file. So we're gonna call Kavita ma'am.
All right. Thank you. When do you plan to travel?
As soon as possible. Like, actually, I'm waiting from so long.
Mm.
Like it has passed almost 4 months. I have logged my file from October month. I'm just getting bored while sitting at home. I want to study now. So
Yes.
as soon as possible, I'll travel.
The process from here will also be smooth, but please be patient, like how you've been, because BFS is taking a little time for everything. BFS is taking a little time for stamping passports, for delivery and picking up of passports, and you still have more than a month to go, so shouldn't be a problem. So by the time you actually get your visa stamp, you should also start your packing, and both things have to happen side by side. So please note that it will take about 20 days from now to get your visa stamped.
Yes.
So you will be going to Toronto, I believe, Naman?
Ma'am, it's Mississauga, Ontario.
Ontario, yeah. So you will be at Toronto Pearson Airport. That's where you will land. And do you have you made arrangements for your stay with someone, or you still need to make the arrangements?
No, ma'am, I haven't did any arrangement.
So you need to first call up. I mean, you need to first email your college. We are going to send them this document today. You need to email them as well, and you need to tell them that you've already received your PPR, and soon you'll be getting your visa stamp. So how soon can you travel, and what will be the procedure for initial stay of quarantine? So that's what you should do next, because
Okay.
without your college permission, you shouldn't be traveling at this time.
Yes, ma'am.
Make sure of that. And you've already got your online registration email, so please register yourself with the college soon for May 21 classes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so congratulations, Naman, again from
Thank
all of us at Hashtag. And we will see you in office soon for your passport submission, and then also hope to get your visa stamp soon. So
you, ma'am.
please visit with your mother or with your family whenever you come to office next. Okay. All right. Thank you for joining today. All the best. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.